So welcome students. So in this question, you're given a matrix A, a 3 by 3 matrix, and you're given a matrix polynomial. And you said that A is satisfying this polynomial. A cube minus 8a square plus alpha a plus beta I is equal to 0. You're asked to find the values of alpha and beta. So you may think that you have to find a cube first and a square, and you need to substitute this a cube and a square in this and solve the equations to get alpha and beta. No. So you can do that, but it's a long process. So usually if you have a matrix and you're given some matrix polynomial, so these questions are based on the concept of characteristic polynomial. Characteristic polynomial of a matrix A, any matrix. So what does the theory say? Theory says that every matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Every matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. So what is the characteristic equation? What is the characteristic equation? The characteristic equation is nothing but det of A minus x times identity matrix is equal to 0. This is called the characteristic equation of a matrix A. So let us try to find this equation. So you just need to subtract x times I from A. So A is 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, 4, 0, 3, 2 minus, what is xi? x 0, 0, 0, x 0, 0, 0, x. So A minus xi, det of A minus xi is equal to 0. That is nothing but det of 1 minus x 2, 3, 0, 5 minus x 4, 0, 3, 2 minus x is equal to 0. So this is the polynomial which the matrix A satisfies. So let us expand this. We get 1 minus x times is very straightforward. One of the column has 2 zeros. I just need to expand it using this. So 1 minus x times 5 minus x into 2 minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So this implies 1 minus x times, so if you multiply this, you get 10 minus 2x minus 5x is minus 7x plus x square minus 12 is equal to 0. That is 1 minus x times x square minus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again, if you expand this, this implies minus x cube minus x cube. So you have, what is the x square term that you have? Plus 7x square plus x square. That is plus 8x square. What is the x term you have? Minus 7x plus 2x. That is minus 5x. And what is the constant term you have? Minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you uniformly multiply everything with a minus, you get x cube minus 8x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is a polynomial which the matrix A satisfies. That means a cube minus 8a square plus 5a plus 2i will be equal to 0. This is one equation which I know will happen. Now let us compare these two. So mostly whenever a question is asked, it will be asked from this concept only. As you can see, a cube minus 8a square is matching. So by comparison, alpha has to be equal to 5 and beta has to be equal to 2. So 5, 2 is the answer. Thank you.